In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix MyFitnessPal not updating. First, open the Google Play Store on your device. This is crucial because the Play Store is where you will manage your app updates. You will see a vibrant interface filled with app suggestions and categories. This is the gateway to ensuring that your apps, including MyFitnessPal, are running smoothly. By keeping your apps updated, you help prevent bugs and glitches that can hinder performance. Once the store is open, you can easily navigate through it. Next, tap your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This icon usually resembles a person or a silhouette and is your personal gateway to settings and account management. Tapping it brings up a menu where you can manage your account and app preferences. This action is important because it allows you to access your app management options seamlessly. After you tap the icon, you'll notice various account-related settings appear, setting the stage for the next steps. From there, select Manage Apps and Device from the menu that appears. This section is essential because it consolidates all the apps installed on your device, allowing you to check for updates or manage app settings. You will see two tabs, Overview and Manage. Make sure you are on the Manage tab to proceed. This view simplifies the process of keeping your apps up to date, ensuring you have the latest features and bug fixes. Now, tap Updates Available and look for MyFitnessPal. If you see it listed, click on Update. This step is vital because sometimes the app may not function correctly due to outdated software. Once you tap Update, you will see a progress bar indicating the download and installation process. This ensures that you have the latest version, which can resolve many syncing issues. After that, open your phone's native settings menu. You can usually find the settings icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. This menu is where you can tweak various system settings and manage applications. It is critical for troubleshooting issues as many app problems stem from settings or permissions that need adjustment. Once in the menu, you'll be greeted with a range of options tailored to your device's functionality. Next, go to Apps or Apps and Notifications, and then find MyFitnessPal. This section allows you to view all applications installed on your device, making it easier to manage them individually. Finding MyFitnessPal in this list is an important step because it gives you access to specific settings that can impact the app's performance. Once you locate it, tap on it to enter the app-specific settings. Select Storage and Cache or just Storage from the options provided. Here you will be able to manage how the app uses your device's memory. This step is significant because it helps in clearing out any corrupted temporary files that may be causing the app to freeze or malfunction. You will see details about how much storage the app is using, which can provide insights into its performance. Now, tap Clear Cache. Note, do not tap Clear Data unless you know your password, as this will log you out. Clearing the cache can often resolve issues without losing your personal data. This action removes temporary files that can cause syncing problems, allowing the app to function more smoothly. After you tap this option, you can feel reassured that you are taking proactive steps to enhance the app's performance. Once that is done, restart the app to see if your metrics update. Closing and reopening the app refreshes its connection to the server and can resolve minor glitches. You will notice how quickly it loads, and hopefully your metrics will begin to reflect the most current data. If everything works as expected, you've successfully taken steps to fix the issue. Finally, one last step is to open a web browser and search for MyFitnessPal Down Detector to see if they are experiencing a global cloud server outage. This is crucial because sometimes the issues you face may not be on your end at all. If the servers are down, rest assured that your data will safely update automatically once their systems are back online. Keeping an eye on server status can save you frustration and time. By following these steps, you can effectively troubleshoot and resolve issues with MyFitnessPal not updating. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.